Into bwairire happy Monday rero nili tukulio ko set goals lakini yetu to change topic ya kaigo because your post nile twabegete wa set group eco ride and the way the post is riding ekorekananga issue ya Bible needs to be addressed because ebintu ko endebere south. So if you're finding me for the first time, please like my page and follow me on my Facebook, and I also have a YouTube channel. I usually talk about issues or matters that are associated with the family. Sometimes it's things I've experienced, and sometimes is discussions that have been given by people from my inbox. So I'm only giving you guys 15 minutes so I can also take time to eat. Kwa manyanga talinga ondela ekenege sare likuneni ndaruke nobukima. This is what I'm having for lunch, and you are what you eat. Na machane nimbwatega, okay. Litundelia neli. I'm going to wash my apple. Nimbwate lemon igaiga nko beka mache ime. Nimbwate okra ya nega kuna chabia igo nimbwata kamo imbeka mache ime neta mosia mache igaiga. So kero kondra to kangande laki I'm working hard koragera the right way. Lio chirati chitanyale, and it is good for my health. So asibali mu abere mo kondigere for some time. You know, I've been talking about the issue yo Bible ikolenda Bible iga America abangi bantebye nga naye mamumino ya ban challenge nga naye karaira ni mamumino Kenya kana ngote nga Bible tigabaira neka. America is not very conducive for a lot of the parents. Abande banyor stress. Lakini kerotoko kwa na chi topic ige Facebook isa chinde talinga chire personal tali rasme be igoro ya penny tali rasme be igoro ya nyalebe chi topic injiruma ite chire general as chi family. So mo watema go generalize chi topic ya skero monto motobeka amo. Lakini as someone who has lived with my mom has lived with me. I came here in 1993. Mama gacha 1993. The same time I came in January, she came in August. So I have lived with my mother. My mother has lived with me for 22 years. So I have that experience. My father omenyire na inche ochirega iga twice. My father-in-law omenyire na inche. My mother-in-law omenyire na inche. So I have experience yo komenya na Bible. Na ande na kiniri abana bono bari adults. So I can speak from experience. So the concern we had here, there was a lady that put up a post, and she said, or was it I don't remember if it was a man or a woman, in fact. I have to check. Agoteba na mamu mwabo arweteka ochirega igo bedra imyake menge bono okorekana nga gachandike tabwatira aga iga gari miserable mongina ali in her 70s. Umongino yogesa bera ga America tanya kwa akanubese chibesa akanitumia $2,500 yali kolenda abana tanya go chirora. So me post imorore. Oh no, there's nothing wrong kurusia Bible Kenya onye gotete kubaleta gaiga. First and foremost onye kore married eknege ntu went to discuss no mugako no mongino ngaki koleta tora Bible gaiga. Now speaking from experience, ekerona na chagete komenya na mama, the first problem ukutwera no muyibuli any other parent, it's the cultural difference. Yeah, mna inche age difference ya na mama 37 years. My mother had me, she was 37 years. I'm number 7 of her children. So you can imagine amanga ebinte binge ngokora mama bire very strange bire atanya korora, because you know what, eke oli to by the time to wokina ebinte binge bichenche. So if my mother had lived with my older sister oiboire probably in 1960 na bora nyole bako yuwana ake, lakini umwana bo mweli abana bamaega gocha komenya na mamu mino, it is going to be very difficult. Komenya na tatu mino, it's going to be very difficult. Now the challenges we face komera na Bible, number 1, asabantu balitonyuo mire eire ngumusacho na aletru mama no amenyete nyumba inche ngwenete kumwire nyagitali esenge nchonde so busy na tebi umusacho one oira mama nyagitali kerako ne nyagitali umenya kuboli gumongine ndi kwaro cyo motienyi wo mweli mongina itera mache ge kombe ga iga chi challenges che sanilo kwarori umongina kuboli wa maswali bono because mwiseko ya kalemero aya wokoleta your mother-in-law no ale nyumba gogo chuko kago chuko kuboli entegete go kumwina lincheregete umete mongina orita go kineti mongina orita momanye ni mbono mwachire korra nabande ga America oteba ndika please nga monyu wete oteba Omusubati oyo na letere tugayiga gaenenete. In fact abandi baruse tukenya baletere bakolera omoki mpaka kinyomo kyaba muraba abo kyayelire because atenga musubati otali muya yali yo musubati ndomwa abangina bandi bayira abana baba mura bachaka go compare n'abasacha babo bamenya koranga abasacha babono barabaya abamuraba babo barabaya because bagusibikiyanga because bakwa busenyomba because nkwenda bali mirimo okonyora umungi namenyete na mumuroye ago compare umwana oyo mumure na musacho yoranga mumuroye garumiya sana bono oranga aganyore tumusubati omubekirira kabisa tumenye ko cyane discipline bari tubwata abana. A grandmother is a grandmother, a grandfather is a grandfather, and abayibuli abayibuna inche bonse bane babere na inche abayibuli abekero tetego discipline abana no konyora mamumi no imokire kale wose isobyaro imokire kale tata iti abana bakunwe tata iti ngo onya kuoga lyoka ha nkyo kubuli abana bono mama yaya tiga abana discipline abana nabane igo bono kwa mubuli dishindo nkyo gonya goitera abana mama na intu nabo gwato itete ya bana mbali go itugo ntu amanyete bono tu amanyire omayita abana abayise chindo tete kwa kumwana omwake buye no muyiboli discipline yeseine liryo go discipline omwana mama mino rindo kakorwe rumo gotaiti wo mwana no mwana uruchimni mwana ebire America ga timeti ebya Kenya ebi mwana ibono bigwete kero grandma chile na bigo tenga nga grandma help me bono wacha kwabo mu bisabu abana bawo. A grandmother is always going to be a grandmother. I don't know why I'm not seeing comments turi go change grandmother acha ko bakende yons bona abana bandi bakora ki Stella na kororire nteye munyu wete abana bandi bachaka bachaka gutumia grandma na grandpa na libatakore chores mbatageti babe discipline Aya abangina bandi bacha abana babo bono mumuro abamete na bamura babo bamenye guchaka gukora chi project yawo mbali ko include mokaye ebintu bibangire goche your wife is not involved na ndu nyole ngaye kero kwalinge buo nyoko byara na iso byara mbachi tukomenya naye linde bakubangira umucyo bono kwanyora umumuro babangete tokolegente the wife is not even involved at all. Kwarore amagenderero bagokora tubangige ntugete no bali nyumba galia mbali gote imusubati oyo mukamo muramnanga ki ngokora tulige ntugete no musubati kikuwa munyomete murabona ko mureto cyakokora ki ucha ko mukinere inkina andige kogera okunye kubanga ibintu na mamumino ekero twachitega igatugateba ngo operation irani yabangi na Kenya abante eba focus tinga kara irani nyoko menye gototebi. It is not a competition. Onye family yane terigo salikana mama kamenye tega igande everything is okay and onye tata moya na tata is approved abakungu bande mbaroro it is okay. Ase story eri twa somete galia abangi nabatigeta abasacha Kenya no balega iga omongi no li musacho ega asirete akagenda akalera matanga nandu iranire iga America eboli binanga ki omongi noyo omugako oyo nkurwara kiarwadete paka kaekera ucha kwenda matanga omongi noyo nkwenda ali ngororo omugako abandi bachire babekiru chi green card abangi nabamubwate chi green card mumenyetega iga mutigeta bagaka bayino Kenya ngugokolendera omugaka it is a concern and you know what goes around comes around. You cannot take your parents overleto bamenye nyumba omenye kuroro no make it a nightmare for your wife omongi no yochirega igabona amangana tokwanira igoro yokolera abana omuntu agogotenga onyetali mama okolera tabana nganga nkwali gucha konyora gukindi bana bane chi sibling one okonyora singinje mama amenyete na inche wono chi sibling ichi gotenga naye mama alendera tabana naye ugukini abana and they are not even understanding ngaki abayibuli bande Nabona nsa goteba mnansa gukwanire kiski ya mama tindete ti mama gaigacha kundendera bana. My mother was not living with me elinda abe primary care ya bana because I'm present, I'm there. Lakini the fact that mama chori komenya na inche, she's an added advantage. But otherwise inkuboka mambi I don't expect mama nsibeli ya bana. I don't expect my mambo eri abana ngirira abana school. I don't expect my mother to cook for me and my family. I don't expect my mother to clean my house. There was no work in my house that my mother was expected to do. Lakini mama anche abuse a vacuum, it is her choice. A room ya ene arana alikomatenga ki mama abuse room, and I'm speaking from experience. Kanongo drop abane school nkoru emeremo make sure nga narusi dia abane school. So my mother was present in the house. Na ande kero mama ukwana nondo bwense atenga ya abana bapeni nangote nenera abana. So abande barochinga ki onye tali mama anga peni na tanyole tibana bane. Onye tali mama anga peni na takine tibana. Umuntu chutenga abana babaliga nega gesingi no mulendera abana. Yani bono batagete kurigi all the excuses ekieko gere bintu biri mwabu na bigendererete. My mother is not the primary care of my children. She's in my house. Lakini einemeremo yane, it is my responsibility. Imbundi sabana bane koruga. My mother doesn't drive. I have to drop my children and pick my children from activities. Lakini kerega suete mama ali nyomba na bagonte nero mwana. We don't bring parents here kubakora chi housemates. We don't bring parents here kubakoranga na ubago tokolere meremo. They are not here to work for you. And I don't remember Ngankalansega one day nga mama rugerete family. She cannot do that. You understand? Nande ndagera ya mama korosi ako welinya bwali obelia omuongo. Ekeronta iwait kuruga I don't cook. She can kerali biyana bakwero seli ndagera ya. Again to kinde kenene nande keke woche singi chwe age gap. I experienced this so many times. Mama kale ba menyereta abantu. One kera mama ogote bigento kako gote based on abantu barache bayigwe. Na motenga ki bantu na bayigu na batayigwa, it doesn't matter. It is not my responsibility konya go prove eri abantu nga gento getungo mwana aragwa abantu bache bayigu nga kibaro chagoteba. Gento getege kaba nda abantu bache bayigu. That was okay from those days chiana nyando chibere chiagesima. But I used to remind her, mama enga kie to menyete bono nto menyereti bantu. Onya abageni bagocha nga peni na abuse nyomba bwango abageni ngocha bali haya mama tiga abageni bache bayikaranse bakole kibagende tindi kokora kindi ngango kyabageni. It is not my responsibility kogo kyabageni. My mother could not process how ndata it kogo kyabageni. Abageni let them come and find the way things are iga nto bwati made bali yes bayikaranse bakole kikyabaleta bagende. So that one used to make her very upset because I'm telling her I'm not living for anybody. The worst statement that my mother hated, no kumunyulinga mama, mburuma etega amwani. That statement will make your mother not to eat. Kunyuli mama minumnanga ki mama, iga amwane timbeke irima chiko, na bongo ngo tige tinga buse nyumba. Mama iga amwane na bongo tiga timba sako tinye stove. Mama iga amwane na bongo tige ndage. Yani telling your mother-in-law nga amwane, even to machiko nara alenge mwa ntale kubwati ntata itikubwati mwanega iga. That hurts the mothers. They don't want to hear. Mbata itikoba reminded nga this is my house, my rules. Onye na banango ita I need to spank. Onye na banango emeremo I need to give them. Ege nto kende kenene no korangeli umusacha. Nde upstairs nkorangeli nga abu narangeli gatato. Inkoge chukunamenya koboli yani abu niski. That is very disrespectful. According to my mother. Lakini umuntu oli nkorangeli my husband koru Nairobi. It is very normal for me to call him. Abu is fine. It is okay for me to call him 3 times. Ata nimulize yani mbono uniski. Yani nagechi. She's in my space. So she is going to witness me calling my husband, me losing my temper. She's going to witness every little thing of parenting in my house. So what my mother used to do, she used to remove herself in the room. Now room. I must be a wife. I must be a mother. I must parent the children. I must speak to my husband. If there is an issue, their behavior issues, no more I need to address it. If there is an issue my husband has to address, he has to address me. My mother could not get herself to talk to my husband. Never. And my mother was the type who was polite. They confront your husband. Kerokale meremo, nyoko vyaro bwato confront your husband. Inkale meremo mama bachaka kuruana na my husband. Inkale meremo aba usi. Ngaga mwane, umusubati yotenga inyombe ne ya musubati yone. Mwana one nchengo korali meremo. Mwachaka usigikani, mama sigikani no musacho yone. In my house. Abangina bande iskaba gusiba go sigikani nechi son-in-law. In their almost your son's house yasikuwa chito o mwana agasoka wachire waso mwana wasogete wono kumusigikyo gusigikyo musacho nyometo mwana o boye iga so menyete nyumbe yo mumroyo That is you boy. Oli negali, mama ali negali kunyando chevere, ali na kamba connecte ike mpaka Bukamba, ache mpaka Mbuinzau, asoe Mbuinzau, achake ko sigika nabu, achake ko maniabu Bukamba. Indi amagusi ya chiteka baborongo mongi na achake ko mani mumroyo munyuomerete. When did that become okay? Inki mama kurugoye nyando chebera chakugambira Bukamba chakugambya umugakone inki na mama no musacho ne bakugamba. And even that onye mbuone ende my mother-in-law ndi buone Bukamba na achire so babu na bere married mama byarongoro kiringa peni na lemaga igana inki mama na nyinabu orocha kunya kuimukira mwa kurumambya ache mwana chakonte namenyete no mugakone. It is a crisis. It is a crisis that needs to be addressed. You're going to miss your life. You're going to break up your marriage. Marriages are ending because of parents being in the house. We love the parents. We have to care for the parents. I literally went with my mother everywhere. There's no vacation I didn't go with my mother. Asenko and I went with her because we were very peaceful with my husband and we had an understanding that, you know what, let mom stay with us and it was okay. Yeah, we did not have a problem. And anytime there was a problem, it was between me and her. But it's me redirecting my mother that mama, wintebi mbirego, chiango kubeka bono, chianga nchire, imbatebi boirekero skinny jeans chia chite chirongi chitubwatete, konyo chirongi chite, mali tualenge old school. Chirongi chia chite chikabeka chikaba skinny jeans, chirongi kale chia lenge bagi. Ekera na urete chirongi chiri, mama agantebe tinga peni none. Gakitubwati maskani, obeke chiango to neti chinyonga nyumba agaigana bakomboli, it's not a secret. Penina tokubika chianga chingale ya mama e fashion ya lili bono chianga tokubika. It is very hard for her to understand nga tindi ko ora chianga chingale ingiye ko rankubika chianga chikoro kichimbere ingiye ko rankubika chianga chinyinge penina ayeno mwana na kinu bya kurunyando chibiro takonga maskani. My mother is in my house. This is crisis. Lakini because she's my mother, I thank God because I could redirect her. And as you can all see, I can speak. I can explain to my mother, yeah, yagente kinkeligo. Eventually, over the years, my mom came to a conclusion in a penny na talibia. Because you know what? I don't blame her. She doesn't understand how things changed so fast. According to her, inchi entaliboronge. I don't think ngalo cha kuimuka agenda amenye mwa my sister-in-law se my brothers abasubati abango cha komo explain it balinge ibintu bunango explain it mama iga because their feelings could have been hurt if it is a daughter-in-law ogote mama mena nga iga mwana mama kanyeka so eru mwali so mebuku bekege sanya saga tokonyege sage gacha mama so eru mwali bere si ekerengo itabana bere room tuwene turu ochege gasabana babana ekerengo discipline abana bekege sayire bibuku yawo soma beroro. This cannot be my mother-in-law being talked to like that. She is going to be so offended. Thank God is my mother. She is the one who raised me. She knows me. A final conclusion, she doesn't understand the environment is different. I'm raising children here in America. I have challenges, no mogaka. I have challenges, nature schedule. I have financial challenges. Na ito mwana buya na tengeneza mwana koza abane ngo tengeneza kende nkeyo. Inko enda sina chire na akore inko ira na nanyora mamu o chire fridge o letre applesauce umwana ako applesauce umwana ako hagi umwana ako tinya maligo batinya that is a grandmother's place. But when I'm disciplining my children, I don't want my mother to interfere when I'm disciplining my children. And it's not a choice that my mother is interfering. No, she's a grandmother. She's doing the right thing. Don't even bring my father-in-law in the picture. My father-in-law yani erebono ga kimbi yago chotarogenda because umuga kuliga chitabana babane na ande na bwate chibeso nduba gulire bintu bagulire yani my father-in-law he got the best friends of my children. Ekerali ga konya kontenga wapeleke polepole. Umugako did not peleka watoto wake polepole. He was very tough on his children. He did not smile with his children until he came here to America. Wone kerali mwane abana bali bane bange chitoi. Abana bane they are not just children, they are toys. Umugako liani ata itansa awonsaderia abana. That's his job. Yagocha 1-2 months to akora. Nande kare skuru ya sikiru na mutomera abana bali go chibokamba. Tigagende anya ko basaleri ali bokamba. Gago kora bangirane. It interferes with the discipline of the children. So now The best we could do for my mother, and you have to see this ahead. America is ahead of us. The best you can do for your mother, you have to have future planning. Because you know what? When my father came, he lost his mind. I prematurely sent him back home because Alzheimer's, dementia, we have to have future planning what we want to do with our parents. So my mother was not always going to live with me forever. We had to have a plan. So we decided, this is me and my husband. And we took that responsibility. It has nothing to do with anybody else. It was a personal decision that we sat down and said, mama agenda chikuritaya mwaye abere mwaye n'abakoli ba yemeremo where there is care, where there is everything that she needs, a beautiful house abere mwaye. That is the plan. Some of us, we don't have those plans for our parents. What are you planning to do with your parents when they get to a point where they need one-on-one? Are you going to afford? Are you going to afford the one-on-one care? You have small children that are going to school. You have small children that are going to college. When she loses her mind. We are forcing people to keep parents here, and we know we cannot keep up with the parents. There are days I don't feel like cooking, so I go buy food. My mother was never the type. Lakini bona abangina bandi batenga iga yako endogolera bana bayenda gira isku ontiga iga incharando mongina nali was in California nyuete ngotagete popcorn kira lituko ngote yabangina banga popcorn yenda gira yenko bayiteri ngatangolere tangeti popcorn tangolere tiki abaga abangina babanganyire bono they are mistreating the daughter-in-laws with the demands. But they don't have a chance to raise their children. I was very firm with my mother because of the children I'm raising. These children are terrible here. If you're not hard on your children here, they are going to give you a headache. And if the grandmother is interfering with the discipline, it's going to be a mess. And another thing, some of the parents that are staying with us, they demand that we pay them. My mother was not in the group you work on Chibes. They are being paid. But in my case, when my mother's children needed something, I took care of it. It was my job. Anything that went on with my mother, I made sure I took care of it. That was my job. And that is the reality. Some of these mothers are paid. They are never satisfied. Make a big deal. Abandi batira bana bise bachira balichi living bakaliko kora alias baikire living banyorre ndagira te abandi barwalete bachira banyorre diabetes bachira banyorre amarwaira because they are not eating well, they are not resting well, they are working around the clock. Abayibuli batuchandrega iga America, it is just impossible. And if you're not going to sit with your spouse and address this issue, it is going to cost you your marriage. It is going to cost you your family. I speak as someone who has lived with parents, and 4 of my parents. You have to be intentional. Your spouse, your mom. Your spouse, your father. Don't force your spouse to live with your parents because you love your parents. That is why in America they have assisted living. That is why in America they have 55 and plus. Where the parents can be cared for. You are not throwing your parents. Otherwise, it's going to affect everything in your house. Nande abanginaba. Inki motota getikoirandera Kenya sinyo onya kobo etabarogi. Onya barogi bali nyando chibere. Onya barogi bali gesima. Toko endogoro buli mnonya alisio kimo aga chaka nyumba ka oberoro. Minto, let us address this issue. Let us not take this issue lightly. This is a very serious issue. Families are breaking. We are going to lose our children to the American system. We are going to lose our children to drugs and alcohol. My children were old enough to start fighting with my mother because sometimes they don't agree. So when your child starts fighting with your mother, what are you going to do? The children can have psychological problems. Don't take it lightly. If you sit with my children and ask them, their whole life they lived with their grandmother, they will tell you the advantages and they will tell you the disadvantages. Not all your children are enjoying grandma. Not all your children are enjoying grandpa. Not all your children are enjoying your brothers and your sisters living in your house. You need to take time and tailor your family to the needs that you have. If you and your husband have agreed, yes, and you're okay, it is okay. As long as your mom doesn't interfere with the parenting of your children, she doesn't interfere with your marriage, she doesn't interfere with the running of your home, you're fine. Yes, you let me go eat because the next generation, who is my children, they are going to also have challenges. They are telling me in their home, they are going to use the F word. Am I going to be able to stay there? F word. It's something I have to decide. Abangina baira ni Kenya babekere onye mumota yituko baira ni Kenya ntobwata sinyomba chi abantu bago kombo chirumu umongina aberega ali umubekere chingoko umubekere ne spinach, so they have a good quality of life. They are stress yabangina ko bamenyi nyomba, and they are tired. They are tired of babysitting. They don't want to be in your house. Nande this world now when etokoboli yo mwelio. At what age abayiboli bagocha bachaka control the children start controlling the parents. Nga kyumwana ago kugambera ko rusi Kenya kolete gaiga, do you have a say? Omongino yo kwa rusi tuku Kenya ukaletu gaiga America. Ndio wenete gote byo mwana wanga tindiko bera gaiga America ndigelia kanyomba gali ngende. Why do we let our children control us? At what age yogoika kwatiga abana bao bago control bago tebi what you need to do? You are the one who's supposed to lead your children. Kwamenye kuimuka ko runyando chebere, kwamenye kuimuka ko runya ikoma wacha gaiga America abana bago control. The fact that your child has a green card, they don't need to, they've put a green card for you. You don't need to come and live here. You are the parent of the children. The children should not parent you. Your children don't have experience. You have experience. You cannot parent your mother. There is an age where you can control your mother when she has lost her mind. But a mother is supposed to be the one who's putting the home together. Dali abana baliri mwana bitara rusia mabibi iga na bibigo controlling na bigo chando mo chumbo, they are disrupting the daughter-in-laws, they are disrupting everything. Your mother should not be controlled by you. Your mother should be the one controlling you. Agote na yaya inchetindiko menyaga iga ingira ni buone. Inchetindiko menyaga iga ngolero bole moga iga kasarani menyororo. Ingira ni buone. Mamo minunero wenere tagote what you are supposed to do. But now, because your son is in America, you want to control your mothers. You are not old enough to control your mothers. Your mothers should control you from their home. Because one day you're going to look back and find that you made a lot of mistakes by keeping your mother in your house and denying her the opportunity to be with her friends, to be with her husband, to be with her community. Brothers and sisters, you are denying your mother that opportunity because you want her to babysit. Your mother is not a babysitter. Put the children in daycare. Find a way to work around your schedules. Release your mothers. Let your mothers have a good quality of life. Life is too short to mistreat your parents. Life is too short to mistreat your daughter-in-law or your son-in-law. Tikatobe realistic. Pretending is not a good thing. Yes,